Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter of S.sc, that is of Geography Chapter 5, Manufacturing Industries. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the industries, uses of manufacturing industries, factors that contribute the location of industries, and the next topic is classification of industries. In this segment, we will discuss detail in agro-based industries, factors that contribute towards decentralization of cotton textile industries. Ultimately, in this chapter, we will discuss about the various type of industries, especially cotton, jute, silk, their problems, their facilities, special market and all.